Good evening. Anything that we discuss today is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights using live streaming technology. So follow along as I navigate the markets by trading in my own account, and hopefully you will learn how I analyze the data in real time to make trading decisions. The purpose for making this video is to analyze Nifty options open interest data. We would be analyzing Nifty on multiple time frames, and we would be framing a view for tomorrow, that is Friday, 12th February. Apart from the index, we would be discussing our stock watch list. So let's start by analyzing options max pain data. So for 18th February weekly expiry contract, currently the max pain level is at 15,100 levels. If we analyze options overall open interest data, you will see that highest amount of calls have been written at 15,500 strike, followed by 15,200 strike, and highest amount of puts have been written at 15,100 strike and 15,000 strike. So going forward, 15,000 is going to act as a strong support in the markets. And if you see what happened today, you will notice that highest amount of calls were written intraday at 15,200 as well as 15,500 for the 18th February weekly expiry contract, and highest amount of puts today were at again 15,100 and 15,000 strike in puts. So for the short term, 15,500 is the resistance based on the overall open interest data. However, as we will soon see, that there's a possibility that market may make new highs. So basically, when market is making new highs, there are no resistances. But based on the options open interest data, so 15,500 zone level is the zone where market can take a breather. If we analyze Nifty spot on multiple time frames, you will see that on the monthly time frame, market is under control of buyers above 13,758 levels. And on the weekly time frame, again, market is under control of buyers above the weekly open, which is at 15,064 levels. And you will see on the daily time frame today, we had a situation in which we had full time frame continuity to the upside, that is on all the time frames, monthly, weekly and daily. Price was under control of buyers, that is buyers were aggressive in lifting the offers. And in terms of the structure on the daily time frame, day before yesterday, we had a structure of lower low and a lower high, and today we have a structure of higher high and a higher low. So tomorrow, if we break today's highs, which is 15,188.5, then uptrending structure would be confirmed again, provided today's lows also hold. So if tomorrow today's lows is not broken and we also breach today's highs, in that scenario, we would have an uptrending structure again with higher highs and higher lows. And based on the daily time frame, we get the following scenario for tomorrow. Above 15,173, we can trade towards 15,188, 15,221 levels, and potentially 15,263 levels. And below 15,112 levels, we can trade towards 15,065, 15,032, and potentially 14,990 levels. And we have a neutral price range of 15,173 to 15,112, in which one can refrain from making any trades. And overall, based on multiple time frames, the safest trade would be to look for buying opportunities above 15,173, or refrain from making any trades to the short side. However, aggressive traders, they can definitely attempt short trades, but for conservative traders, it is best that one should look for only buying opportunities above 15,173, else not trade at all. Now we would be analyzing our stock watch list for tomorrow. The stocks that we have chosen are Asian Paint, IndusInd Bank, Dr. Reddy, and RBL Bank. So Asian Paint is an inside candle on the daily time frame. So we'll look for buying opportunity above 2,540.1 levels, or we'll look for selling opportunity below 2,495 levels. And in between the high-low range, we'll not be making any trade in Asian Paint. Second stock is IndusInd Bank. It is again an inside candle. So we'll look for buying opportunity above 1036.1 levels, or we'll look for selling opportunity below 1015.2 levels. And our third stock is going to be Dr. Reddy. It's again an inside candlestick. So above 4860.1 level, we'll look for buying opportunity, and below 4809.9 levels, we'll look for selling opportunity. And our final stock is going to be RBL Bank. So above 246.3 levels, we look for buying opportunity, or below 241 level, we look for selling opportunity. So all these stocks are inside candles on the daily time frame. That is, market was consolidating. That's why an inside candle is formed when there's an equilibrium between both the buyers and the sellers. So we'll look for entry opportunity if either side of the range breaks. I would like to summarize. Tomorrow above 15,173, we can trade towards 15,221 levels, 15,263 levels, and below 15,112 levels, we can trade towards 15,065 and potentially 14,990 levels. And overall, we are in a broad range of 15,500 to 15,000 based on the overall open interest data for 18th February weekly expiry, and the max pin level is at 15,100 levels currently. And our stock watch list comprises of RBL Bank, Dr. Reddy, IndusInd Bank, and Asian Paint. Finally, I'd like to thank you all for watching this video. Do hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to Digital Trading Flow YouTube channel. Thank you.